Okay, we got the Samsung four-door unit here with the Flex Zone. These ice makers are junk. Not really junk, it's just set up wrong. The inside here was completely frozen underneath here was all ice. I just got done thawing that out to get rid of the ice. I talked to the service rep and they finally figured out what's going on with these things. Is inside of here, when the water comes in to be frozen, if your refrigerator is perfectly level, it spills over the front and goes, and it adds a little bit more water each time to continue to freeze, and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So the fix here is to make sure that the front, when they bring it in, they leveled this one perfectly level on top, but that's not what you want. As you can see here on the bubble right here, you want it to be angled so that the front is higher than the back, so that water doesn't spill over that tray and cause this freezing problem. So it takes a little time to do it right, but the guys just did a quick job and they leveled it out thinking it should, you'd think it should be leveled. It's probably a design flaw where inside that ice tray, that thing that just should have been designed better to where it couldn't spill over. So anyways, the wheels should not be touching. They were touching. I raised them up. It's about a quarter inch. Each wheel needs to be raised up off of the floor. You don't have the wheels on there. You need it slightly higher. And you do that by turning these two things right here that raise it. You do that by put the pliers on there and you spin it clockwise, which raises it. So I've raised these two already to get it up so that the wheels are completely off. And if you take the level on the front, you can see now the bubble is not in the middle. It's to the front side there on each side. So when this thing, when it's totally level, the water spills over. And the other fix was before that they said that there was like air in leakage coming in. I've already done that. I've sealed that up. That didn't work. So I'm thinking that this is the true problem is the water spilling over. So I've raised it up, and after it thaws out, I'll turn it back on and see if it solves the problem.